Now it's time to actually check the fit. Do not screw anything before doing that, because maybe it does not fit, so you have to unscrew everything. As you see here, what I did was to put, of course, remember your gloves. I have not remembered in the initial videos, and it can be dangerous even for a door like that, because there's little tiny parts that can go into your skin. Dry fit, there are some pieces of wood that we put this together, but there's also a screw here, which now I have to actually screw. And this is the other side. As you see, the horizontal fitting is perfect. And look what I have here. Yeah! You see me like saying hi from the other side. We have a centimeter, but there's no problem at all, because as I showed you on the other video, we have this. So this will help covering this part. Now that I know that it's fitting properly, I'm going to put the screws here and here, and that will be it. I have seen people, I think most of the people actually also screw the frame to the frame container, but I choose not to do that because my frame is made of marble and it has already been open in some points, and it's a marble which is around 30 years old. I don't want to destroy it. I prefer in the future have to adjust the door. The door, as you see, I have to press into the frame, so it will actually fit properly. It's not loose, so I don't have really to do it. But just check also that you might need to screw on the frame. Usually the frames are not made of marble; they are made of wood, so it's a lot easier to actually screw them. But I do not want to risk to actually destroy my marble.